In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use lens correction in Darktable. Lens correction is all about fixing geometry and color issues introduced by your lens so your photo looks the way the scene actually did. Start by opening your image in the darkroom view. If you're in Light Table, just double-click the photo to enter Darkroom. Now we'll locate the lens correction module. You'll find it in the correction group of modules, and you can also use the search bar at the top of the module list to quickly type lens and bring it up. Once you have it visible, expand the module so you can see the options. This single tool addresses three common issues. Distortion corrects bulging or pinching lines, often called barrel and pincushion distortion, which you'll notice along straight edges like horizons or buildings. TCA, or transverse chromatic aberration, removes those red, green, or purple fringes that appear along high-contrast edges, especially near the corners. Vignetting brightens the darkened edges that can make corners look heavier than the center. To apply the fixes, toggle each of the three options: distortion, TCA, and vignetting. Start with distortion to straighten geometry. It's helpful to keep an eye on verticals and horizontals while you switch it on and off to confirm the correction looks natural. Then toggle TCA, zoom in to 100% near the corners, and inspect fine edges like tree branches or roof lines. If color fringing disappears without introducing halos, you're set. Finally, toggle vignetting. Many lenses darken corners at wider apertures. Enabling this option evens out brightness. If you prefer a bit of natural corner fall-off for style, you can always leave it off, but the correction gives you a neutral baseline. After distortion correction, you might see thin black edges appear along the frame. That's normal because straightening can pull parts of the image outward. Use autoscale to fix those black edges in one click. Autoscale gently crops and scales the image so the entire frame is filled again. Keep an eye on your composition after scaling, since the crop can trim a tiny bit from the borders. If something important is near the edge, consider whether the trade-off is worth it. That's it. Open the photo in Darkroom, find lens correction, toggle distortion, TCA, and vignetting, and finish with autoscale if needed. With these quick adjustments, your image will look clean, accurate, and ready for the rest of your edit.